Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know whether there is any heating issue while using Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. The answer is no, there is no heating issue while writing. I did not encounter any kind of heating on my Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and the writing experience is very smooth enough. You will get S Pen in the box which will give you a very good experience while writing on the screen. Another user wants to know whether he should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus or he should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. The answer of this question depends on the budget that you have. If you have a tight budget of 13,000 to 14,000 rupees, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Wi-Fi variant. But if you have a budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case you can wait for the better offers when you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. Considering all aspects, Tab A11 Plus will be a better option. You will get better software and better software update. Also, the battery backup will be very good on A11 Plus. So wait for the right offers to come. Another user wants to know whether he should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE from online store because in offline store this Wi-Fi variant is not available. Currently the price of this tablet is very high, so I would request you to wait for a few days for the better offers on Amazon.in or Flipkart.com. Maybe Republic Day sale you may get better offers on Tab S10 FE. I will let you know when there will be any offer, so you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on. Another user wants to know the best price of iPad 11th generation. Actually, the best price of iPad 11th generation 128GB Wi-Fi variant is around 28 to 29,000 rupees. But for a couple of months the price is on the higher side, so you have to wait few days if you want to buy this iPad at 28 to 29,000. Another user wants to know the price of Xiaomi Pad 7. If you want to buy the 128GB of Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case the best price would be around 20,000 rupees. And for the 256GB the best price would be 22 to 23,000 rupees. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.